Hello friends, and welcome to Butterfly Meadows Homestead. I'm Dorinda. Today's video is a little different. I just thought I would bring you along for a little day in the life video. In this video you see I'm unloading the dishwasher and then I'm loading the dishwasher, and I'm going to make some bread later on and strain some kefir, put on some yogurt, and also take some eggs out of the dehydrator. Clean and wipe down the kitchen here. Just want to let you know that is me playing the piano and sometimes humming. Sorry about the humming, I didn't realize the mic was picking it up. But if you hang around to the end, near the end of the video, I will be singing Amazing Grace for you. Now I feel good knowing my kitchen is clean and in order. I have my bread on, kefir made, yogurt ready to put on tonight, and all I have to do in the kitchen any further is fix dinner, which I think I'm going to make meatloaf tonight. And right now we're going to go gather the eggs and see if the large animals need any water. Every day I try to spend some time having a devotion and spend some time with the Lord. I like to do it early in the morning, but there are days when it may fall in the middle of the day or later in the day. But I always try to fit it in because it just makes my day so much better. I just want to thank you for joining me today, and I would like to take this time to invite you to come over to my devotional channel. I will put a card here that you can click on and come over, and I would love for you to subscribe to that channel. It's a newer channel, it's growing, but it's kind of small right now. I'm hoping to grow it.